In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a presentation using Google Slides, a powerful tool that's part of the Google Workspace suite. Whether you're working on a school project or preparing a business pitch, Google Slides offers a range of features that can help you design visually engaging and professional slideshows. Let's begin by accessing Google Slides. You can do this by navigating to the Google Slides website on your computer, or by opening the app if you're on a mobile device. It's readily available on most web browsers and provides you with a seamless experience across different platforms. Once you're in, you'll want to create your presentation. You can either start from scratch by creating a new blank presentation or save time by choosing from a variety of templates that Google provides. These templates are pre-designed and can help kickstart your project. Don't forget to rename your presentation for easy identification. Simply click on the default untitled presentation at the top of the page and type in your desired title. Next, we'll look into adding and editing the content of your slides. To add text, click inside a text box and start typing. You can also insert images from multiple sources such as your Google Drive or perhaps stock images and uploads you have on hand. Use the toolbar at the top for text formatting. This includes altering the font, size, color, and style to suit your aesthetic. Adding new slides is straightforward. Just click the plus button or head to the slide menu. Should you need to remove a slide, select it and use the delete option. If you want to change a slide's layout, click on the arrow button next to the plus icon and select your preferred layout. Let's enhance your presentation with animations and transitions. To add transitions between slides, press the transition button at the top. You can also animate individual objects within a slide by selecting the specific effects that best fit your narrative. Now, presenting your slideshow. Hit the slideshow button to launch your presentation in full screen mode, offering your audience an immersive experience. Navigate through your slides using the arrow keys or by clicking the arrows at the bottom of the screen. If you need to exit the full screen mode, simply press the ESC key. Collaboration is a breeze on Google Slides. To share your presentation with others, click the Share button at the upper right. Here, you can decide what level of access others will have, whether they can solely view, leave comments, or directly edit the presentation. For your convenience, Google Slides also allows you to export your presentations into various formats. To do this, go to the File menu, choose Download As, and select your preferred format such as PowerPoint, PDF, or others that suit your needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Google Slides. This tool not only simplifies the process of creating presentations, but also enhances your ability to collaborate and share your ideas effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for your future projects.